What's going on, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I got a beautiful Chevy behind me, man. The guy said, listen, I want 28s, I don't want 6s, I want 20s, but I want to sit in the back. Not super squatted or low, but I want a little bit of that squat stance on there, man. I said, no problem. We're going to sit you right. We're going to shorten the rear end. We shortened the rear end on this car. We did disc brake conversion in the rear. We did a 4-piston disc brake in the back. I'm telling you, listen, this truck is super clean. He's not done with it yet. He's working on it. It's a work in progress, but you have the Armani Forged on there, that rose gold 28s on there. That stance is perfect with that little squat in the back. Sits right, like you did disc brake conversion on the back of it. Cross-shielded rotors, shorten the rear end. Get some air socks back there, so he's got a really nice drive on there. Listen, you don't have to go crazy on these trucks. You can just do it right. Super clean, class. Listen, you know how hard it is to paint black? Black is super hard to keep clean, guys. Coast to Coast Customs, always something, always different. Remember, guys, stay in your lane.
Nighthawks 22s, perfect.